In this video, I'm going to showcase my damage post-process shader that I have developed in Unreal Engine. This shader has 10 exposed parameters that allows you to control various properties of the damage effect. The texture parameter controls the texture. The texture tiling and offset parameter controls the UV tiling and offset. The red and green channels controls the tiling, and the blue and alpha channels controls the offset. You can use the negative tiling value to flip the UVs. The texture rotation parameter controls the rotation angle and anchor point position. The red channel controls the angle, the green channel controls the anchor point U axis, and the blue channel controls the anchor point V axis. Use degrees for the rotation angle. The mask parameter allows the user to enable or disable texture channels. The red, green, blue, and alpha channels can be used. The color parameter controls the texture color. The brightness parameter controls the brightness. The contrast parameter controls the contrast. The opacity parameter controls the effect opacity. The speed parameter controls the texture pulse speed. The hardness parameter controls the mask hardness.